Okay, everybody. The kids are playing outside. And we want to serve them some dessert, some coffee time. It's coffee time and want to serve them. Oh, delicious. I only got to eat all this cake in Robert's mother's place. And we also have some.
Where is?
Don't worry. You're not serving any stranger. Just your kids.
So the biggest critical.
Which one did your grandma love most?
My grandma.
Yeah.
Oh God.
I know your dad or your mom like any of those two. And I know you are definitely eating that one.
That one?
Yeah.
That?
Yes, because I'm eating this one. This is cheesecake. And I know Ashley's having this one right here. Yeah. And there you go. Yummy. Thank you. That went well. Yeah. Should we add another one?
Yeah.
Yep. Look at all of that. Oh, shock in. Okay. Let's go and serve them. You're gonna see the way they're gonna be like, wow, wow, wow. They will see you. They have not seen him. Ari have seen.
She can't step out of that.
Everybody's already running down. Shall help me pick them up from me. Thank you. Yeah.
It's wet. The chair
It's
is
wet, haven't it? It was ready. The chair is wet. No sitting. Ashley, can you get Taria down?
I eat big donut. Can I have this one? No. That one.
Don't put her down, it's wet.
Oh, shit.
And why is she not wearing shoes?
Thank you. How do you know I'm going to give it to you?
Because that's my favorite cake.
Thank you.
How did you know again? I have to give that to you.
Because I know what we are all going for.
Aria?
Aria, what do you want? Donut. Thank you.
It's wet.
It's nice.
Thank
Ich
you.
könnte mich auch kurz hinsetzen.
Thank you for the food.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Hey,
God.
Ashley.
Donut.
Es ist mir egal, ob mein Popo nass ist.
Mir aber nicht.
Hauptsache Aria kann sich dort hinsetzen.
Okay.
Oh, I love this cake. Guys, that is my last one. Guys, look. Guys, that is my last one.
Try this. Chocolate berry.
Yes, that's what
I don't know. Or
That's
maybe this one.
this one. I'm tasting this one. Is there coconut on it?
No.
Nein. Die Schokolade.
Uh-huh. No, I'm tasting this one. This one. This one is 100. No, this one.
It's that's what it says.
It's different. I thought it was the same before. Let's try this. Delicious. It's chocolate.
Oh, I'm really excited how this.
It's yummy, yeah? I know.
Oh.
Yeah. Yummy good. Before I went to get Aria sauce, look at what I found. It's
What?
gone. Yeah.
What's gone? Ah. Will do when I'm a grown up.
Donut?
When you are a grown up. What will you do when you are a grown up?
You want to be a donut?
No.
Want to be a baker?
I want to, yeah, something like that. I want to bake and cook people
You
who
want
don't
to
have
cook
food.
people?
Ah, so shut. You want to cook for people who don't have food.
And
That's
when I'm very rich, then I will give you money, daddy money, everybody of my siblings, and people who don't have house.
good idea, Ashley. That's a very good idea.
Because I don't like when people are like that and beg for me for money.
So when you are to get all this achievement, do you know what you have to do? To achieve all of this, do you know what you have to do? Pay attention in school. Read more and play less. You have to read a lot and play less. Don't let Aria fall. Richard, no pushing.
I'm just taking this stuff.
Anyone pushing is going down.
Yeah?
Actually, don't stay on the net. You can break it down. Don't relax on the net.
Yes.
It's going to break down. Hey, you.
Hey, you.
Mommy,
Okay, I'm looking.
Mommy, while you guys was resting and sleeping,
I wasn't sleeping.
Emily, Vichy, and Aria was doing something that we can do today for you guys as movie.
Okay.
It will be very
Stop
funny.
hitting. Who is hitting there? Nobody should hit. Aria, Richard.
From Mommy on tablet.
Heavenly, don't jump so hard. Aria is there.